Sarah. Sarah says, I'm struggling, Rich, to drive traffic to my affiliate offers. What are some effective strategies I can use or platforms that I should be on to increase traffic and conversions?
Well, I mean, we have a lot of different ways of driving traffic online. We have, free marketing, we have paid marketing. I like both of them, however, because we don't want to rely just on paid marketing alone, right? Because, when you run an ad and people see you and your brand, they're going to probably seek out the internet and look at, let's say, for instance, let me go to my trusty little screen share here. Okay.
Oh, Rich is going to share his screen.
So as you can see, if I go to like Ace and Rich, and I go here and I go, okay, is Ace and Rich on the internet? Yeah, I would say so. Yeah, we're on the internet and people can find us really easy, right? The brand is there, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, Twitter. We even have SoundCloud, right? So, I mean, you got to understand something. If people are seeking you out and you're not on the first page of Google with your own name, you might want to work on that, right?
Yeah.
Very, very important. Because to think about it is this is a really good way to get free traffic on the internet, right? Because what we're doing is we're building audiences on multiple platforms, not just one. And we're going to be adding more in 2023, 2024, and add more audiences and new platforms as we keep building. Now, a lot of people don't know this, but I do have my own Twitter account besides Ace and Rich. And when I first started in 2008, believe it or not, I actually have over 6,000 followers. Hold on. Let me go over to my profile. As you can see, I already have like over 6,526 followers, keeps going up. And I'm following 1,657 people, right? So what I do is I share the content and I get really good targeted views, but it's adding more views to my actual YouTube channel, right? It's all about the targeted views at the same time. So as you can see right here, if I go to videos, you can see that all the videos are getting really targeted views from multiple platforms, different places. And people might say, well, that's not a lot of views. I'm not in this business to be popular. I'm in this business to generate leads and actually attract a particular type of person. Different mindset, and this is what we call marketing, okay? So as you can see, we generate leads pretty much almost every day with our YouTube channel. And you might be saying, well, that's not a lot of views. How do you guys generate leads? It's because our message is completely targeting the right market. And then we generate leads through that. We follow up, we build relationships like Mark talked about, right? In the training inner circle. And that's how we convert leads into sales. Not only that, but we got some great advanced strategies coming to the inner circle on how to really build relationships even a little bit deeper than probably people are not even thinking about, right? Like how to take it to the next level, more like a multi-dimensional follow-up process, right? That's the way I like to call it. So as you can see, you can get free traffic on the internet and it will work. But here's the thing, guys, you got to stake your claim. You got to make sure you put your brand, your name out there, and you got to start building the audiences, creating content, be consistent, right? Like we are in Facebook and Pinterest and YouTube and things like that. When you do that, you are going to start being seen on social media. Not only that, but like the images, you also start being seen on video, right? We have like, oh my God, we have like old videos here too, as well from years ago. So as you can see, it's amazing because internet, people will seek you out on the internet, especially if you're running an ad and they find you. Well, guess what? They'll probably be like, hey, are these people real? Let me just go check them out. Let me go Google them, right? So make sure you get this part of the process down. And this is why, let me just get off the screen here. There we go. This is why I like to be everywhere on the internet if I can, because when somebody actually runs that ad and they seek us out, guess what? We're going to be found and it's going to show that credibility.